Hello everyone, we are back for our next chapter book, or should I say next chapter book lesson with Boxcar children. So this is going to be lesson number 2, and we're going to get through the next couple chapters of one of my most favorite books ever when I was growing up. Before we get into that, we're just going to look at our goal today. Let's read it at I can use. Ready? I can use key events from the story to explain my thinking and opinions. So remember, key events means most important. So just like yesterday's lesson, we're going to be just using those really important things to help us explain our thinking and opinions. And that's really what these are all about. The questions that we're going to be kind of focusing on today are just more opinion kind of based, things that you think. But we're going to be using key events from the story to help us form our opinions and our thinking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. So when you have yours open, the first thing you're seeing are the videos. But I have the questions here that are called Boxcar Children Lesson 2. Right here, it's this PDF. And I'm just going to leave it here while I'm doing the reading again today, just so you can think about these questions as I'm reading. But I want to start by reading them. So imagine this book took place in the present day. Tell how the children would survive. Where would they sleep? How and when would they travel? What would they do to get food? Use your imagination, be creative, and think of a plan. Lastly, either draw a picture or find a picture online to show what their home would look like. So, so imagine this was happening like in today. Where would they sleep? What would you think? If a bunch of these kids were running away and they were living on their own, where do you think they would sleep? So just kind of write about it best as you can there. How and when would they travel? So we know that like they were traveling mostly by at nighttime and trying to sleep during the day. But today's terms, what would you do to have them travel? What would they do to get food? So how do you think we could saw that they were barely kind of getting by, getting food. So what do you think they would do today to get food? And then the last one, what does their home look like in modern day? And you can do that part in this box right here, or you can even go to the next page after you send it to Notability and you can draw it. You can just add a picture, whatever. But I'm going to stop here, and then the next video, we will get to do some reading.